What's up, guys? Today I just figured I'd film it. Probably just do a couple quick updates throughout the day, but I took off every Friday of this month so that I could do some stuff around the house. And today I am gonna start the garage. So I got this pretty far, but it's got a couple streaks, so I gotta go over some spots, like you can see right there. And then, because I was painting in the dark, just so everyone knows why there's streaks. And then I'm gonna start putting my artwork up, painting. Well, I gotta paint the walls. All the walls are gonna be that color. Gotta take down these shelves, start putting the tables in place and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll get some updates throughout the day, but here we go. Let's get it. Like that. You get the point. Well, let's go. It's been a few hours, but I've gotten really nowhere other than the fact that I got out of the shelves off the walls. And boy, this thing's gonna be fun. I just want to show that. Like, oh, houses. This is gonna be great. All right. This place looks like a mess. Getting out of the walls now. I did the corners. I'm running out of black paint, so we're just gonna come back and get some more and then go over the mean spots. But I went around the corners so I can do the walls now. And this place looks like a mess, but it's gonna come together. Let's see if we can come back here and see it. Alright, let's go. Alright, so the light went down yesterday, so we're picking back up at a new day. But we have got this place a little closer. This wall's got 2 coats, the rest need another coat. And then I need to do the ceiling again. So yeah, let's then this needs to be organized. Ugh. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we've got ceiling's done pretty much. I just have to do the middle part still. Walls are done, seams are done, floor white trim is done. Now time to start organizing and getting this all together. Go to the front real quick actually. There it is. And then this is going up right now. So basically, right now I just have them up with drywall screws. I have a couple anchors. It doesn't weigh anything, so you don't need a ton of anchors. I would just do like one every corner just to feel good, but that is in the way. So I'm gonna have to cut that out, a little piece of it, which is easy. But started getting them up, and then I'm gonna basically take it apart and go one by one, like one square by, or one hex by one hex. Screw them up there. And the wiring is semi-easy, so I just got it set up down here. So you have one whip going out, and then just went out and got some remix wire. And then it's got the blue coming off, blue with the white. Black is hot with the red off, or the brown off of the whip, and then the yellow, which is ground to the ground. Run that. Basically, I'm gonna run a hole in the ceiling where that's gonna go, and then that wiring, I was just mocking it up, will be up in the attic ceiling. So easy to do. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on getting those up one by one, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But they're super bright. Basically, I set it up like this on the floor first, just to make sure everything worked. So I grabbed like extension cord, and I cut it up, and then I just attached it to the whip just to make sure everything worked. Everything worked great, and yeah, so we're gonna get that up, and then we'll be good. And then soon the cars will be here. Where the epoxy's gonna go in next, then all of those like toolbox and all that fun stuff, and I'll get to sort through this crap. Yeah, we're coming along. I finally got it all up. It was kind of a pain over a couple of sections, so I had to cut out, if we can get a little closer. Alright, so like, here you can see, I had to do, basically what I did is just took a Dremel, cut either side of that, and just bent it back, and then ran the light through it. Same with the garage door opener over there. And now, just went ahead and drilled a hole for the wiring. And I'm really lucky because I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but we'll see. Really lucky. Because it comes out right there perfectly. And then I'm going to run a junction box like on this bar right here. I'll just show my wiring here in a second. But the lights are up and they look sick. The garage is coming along. Alright, the deed is done. They are up, they are wired. I'll go up there and I'll show you the wiring when I get back from breakfast dinner, or Christmas dinner, but that's not the right one. Whew! They are up, they're wired to the right thing, they work. Now, up next, I'll be putting the toolbox there, locker for detailing equipment there, some artwork, the TV up in that corner, the big SC sign with all my die casts and Legos on it, rack to put all my engine stuff, and then this will be here. This side, I think, will be the IS's side, and this side is the RX-7. I'm sure I'm going to post this after I get it. So yeah, here you go. They work. I'll go up there and I'll show you the wiring when Amanda's not staring at me, waiting for me to go to dinner.
Don't zoom in on me.
Alright, well, it's just so sick. I'm done now. But like, walking in from the, what? Look at that. Needs epoxy floors. That'll happen next too. Thanks, Amanda. Okay, heck on, goodbye.